What if I told you your thoughts could literally rewire your brain? Thinking positive isn't just a saying, it can literally change your life. And today I'll show you how to make it actually work. We've all heard the phrase, think positive. It's on posters, captions, and motivational quotes everywhere. But let's be honest, sometimes it sounds too simple, right? Like, how can thinking differently actually change anything? Well, here's the truth. Your thoughts are powerful. They shape how you see the world, how you act, and what you attract. And if you learn how to use that power intentionally, it can completely shift your life. When I started paying attention to my thoughts, I realized how often I was setting myself up to fail before I even began. So, in this video, I'll break down how positive thinking really works and how you can start using it today. Everything you experience begins in your mind. Your beliefs, your emotions, your actions, they all start with a single thought. Think about it. When you wake up and say to yourself, "Oh, today is gonna be a bad day," you start noticing everything that goes wrong. But if you wake up and say, "I'm gonna handle whatever comes my way," your brain literally looks for evidence to support that. That's because your mind filters reality through your beliefs. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring problems. It's about training your brain to focus on solutions and opportunities instead of obstacles. Now that you understand how your thoughts shape reality, let's talk about how to change them. We all have negative thoughts, they're automatic. But the trick isn't to fight them, it's to flip them. For example, instead of "I'm not good enough," try "I'm learning and getting better every day." Instead of "this is too hard," say "this is challenging, but I'm capable." When you catch yourself thinking something negative, pause. Reframe it into something that empowers you. It might feel awkward at first, but over time, this rewiring becomes natural, and your mindset shifts for good. This is where consistency matters. Affirmations and visualization aren't magic, they're mental training. Affirmations remind your brain what to focus on. Visualization lets you see your success before it happens. Every morning, take a few minutes to say a few positive statements. "I am focused. I attract opportunities. I'm becoming my best self." Then visualize it. Picture yourself confident, successful, and calm. Your mind starts to believe what it repeatedly sees. And once your mind believes, your actions follow. Here's the key. Positive thinking alone isn't enough. You can't just sit around saying affirmations and expect life to change. But when you combine positive thinking with action, that's when everything shifts. Your mindset fuels motivation. Your motivation drives your actions. And your actions create results. So use positive thinking as your foundation, but move. Even one small step in the right direction turns your mindset into momentum. So here's your challenge for today. Pick one negative thought you've been holding onto and flip it into something empowering. Repeat it, believe it, act on it. And if you're ready to keep building a stronger mindset every single day, hit subscribe and join me on this journey of growth. Thanks for watching, and remember, positive thinking isn't just a saying, It's powerful when you live it. I'll see you in the next video.